When the installation is done, as you can see here, you will have one option. Just click on the Reboot button, and it will reboot the Nova sensor into the OS itself. Underneath the Nova sensor is the version of CentOS. This is the base operating system that the Nova sensor is running on. The Nova sensor will come up once the installation part is already done. After the installation is complete, we need to configure the Nova sensor. There are multiple ways of configuring the Nova sensor on the network. The Nova sensor comes with a specific IP address which you can access if you have a device which might be on the same network. That network is 10.51.51.0. The IP address of the Nova sensor is by default the last octet to 51. If you want to do this in a different way, there is also the possibility to log on to the Nova sensor's console. For having the details of the username and password, we can set that up as well, but let me show you how to log on into this specific Nova sensor console access with the default credentials. As you can see, we have a specific prompt here. So if I do a command like IPA, I can see that there is a specific IP address already configured in here as mentioned, but we can also set an IP address here. I will add an address in the network that I am in, and of course you can't do it for yourself in the network that you are in. So let me just put the address in here, just an example, and don't forget to set this on a specific device which is ETH0. So if I repeat the command here, I now see that I have this IP address set on the interface. Now I'm able to also go to the Nova sensor web interface, either on IP address then 251.251 or IP address 192.168.